This National Realty Company property video is presented by Jeff Smith. Great Lake Blackshear Home. The location is convenient to Cordele, Albany and Tift for a daily commute. The home features 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. The open floor plan on the main floor allows you to view the kitchen, family room and the screened-in porch overlooking Lake Blackshear. The 3rd bedroom on the main floor has direct access to the screened-in porch. The upstairs has the master suite and deck as well as the 2nd bedroom and 2nd bathroom. The home features a 2-car garage and a bonus room and bathroom on the basement level. The bonus room opens up to the back patio area, which is ideal for watching TV and cooking on the back patio. Call for your private viewing. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeff Smith at 229-273-4132.